In this chapter, we have looked at covariance and correlation as measures of how data varies within a dataset. I'd like to challenge you to work with the problem set forward in the Chapter 5 Challenge Workbook, which you can find in the Chapter 5 folder of the Exercise Files collection. I would like you to find the covariance between the values in the customers and sales columns. Those are in A and B. Also, the correlation of those same two columns, and then create a 3x3 grid that will determine the correlation of each column as paired with other columns. Remember, as a hint, that anytime you get the correlation of a column with itself, the value should be 1 because the values are exactly identical. So that means that cells G8, H9, and I10 should all contain the values of 1. With that in mind, go ahead and try the problem, and I will be back in the next movie to show you how I would solve it.